SimplePractice supports group appointments with up to 15 individual clients, all using one CPT code. After the session, the group appointment page makes it easy to add a group note to be added to every client's chart, as well as individual notes. You can manage billing individually, including editing the fee, creating an invoice, or adding payment for each client in the group. Let's review these options in more detail. To create a group appointment, select Schedule Appointment or click on the calendar. Switch the new appointment to be a group appointment. To add attendees, you can create a new client or search clients and select the client from the list. Repeat to add up to 15 clients to the appointment. If you make a mistake, you can click the X to remove a client. You can also manage the client attendees after the appointment is created. Next, you can add a name to identify the appointment. Below, you can customize the date, time, service, and fee just like an individual appointment. To finish creating the appointment, click Done. If you have alerts toggled on for your practice, the option to send appointment reminders will appear. This also requires that the clients have upcoming appointment reminders toggled on in their client settings. On the group appointment flyout, you can manage the client attendees, edit the appointment details, add a group note, or manage billing. At the bottom, there's also an option to cancel the appointment. To manage the client list or attendance for a group appointment, click Manage Clients. At the bottom, you can click Edit Attendance to reveal the option to add a client to the appointment or remove a client by clicking the X. This also gives the option to record if the client canceled or no-showed. To open the group appointment page, click Add Note. At the top, the Group Note section gives you the option to add a note to every client's chart. You can use a template and enter content for the note. Click Save to save your progress at any time. Below, under Individual Notes, you can add notes for each client. First, select a template to use for each note. Next to the client's name, click Add Note. This will reveal the template fields to create that client's note. Please note that you can also quickly check the client's attendance status by looking at the icon next to their name. Once you've completed your progress notes, you can sign all your notes at once by clicking Sign at the top of the page. To see the billing status for each client, click Manage Billing. Here, next to a client's name, click the three dots, which will provide options depending on the client's billing status. If an appointment is uninvoiced, you can edit the fee for this client specifically, create an invoice, or create invoice and add payment. If the invoice has already been created, you'll have the option to view invoice. Group appointments also support telehealth by SimplePractice. This makes it possible to host up to 15 clients simultaneously with telehealth by SimplePractice. Thanks for watching.